see this guys. Let's see this one. Chrome. I really started the PC guy V6 no button in Minecraft. This one, you need this in Minecraft. You have this one, this on this fan games. I really nice. And go to Minecraft. See this one. This one. You never see this one before. This the texture. PC guy.
Pumunta ka muna sa Google.
Okay. You have friend, composer, Minecraft, and this one. You can now address your now in Mineplex. Mineplex.com. You can save this game. This is working. This is working. That this game. This working. This is working. You believe me, please. See this one.
Ito, gawin ko lang to.
Oh. Rage to Steve as Andy. Okay. Steve, you cannot.
Ito na lang.
Then Steve,
Ito tapos
we
na to.
need some. My name is Sans.
Ito tapos na to.
I'm
Konting quiz ka lang.
Sans. This
Tapos
new
na, matatapos na.
skeletons. And all this games very good. You can select your own friend. See this one. Please wait. Singing pack of this game. Yes, please work. Please work. Please work. It's working,
Ito na lang,
working,
konti na.
working,
Meron, oh.
working.
Astig, oh.
It's working. See?
Lang matatapos na.
See?
Nalagyan ko na lang. Ikaw mo, survival ka. Saan ka survival ka?
You can and choose your own friend. Only PC can. This one and this. And see, we have command blocks. You can select your own choice. And you can. And just really good. You can choose here, hide. You can
Ano na eh? Ano? Ito?
S.
Lo, hindi ko mo ano eh. Bigay mo na.
Auto-typing stacks. You can select this. Oh!
Wait lang, last na last. Oh, Google na lang kulang. So, ano ba tawag dito?
Oh! Displaying the servers. And
Bilisan mo.
And what's this? Oh, you cannot select this one. You need
Bilisan
some.
mo.
You will need some.
Yan, saan mo napili yan? Baba?
And
Yeah. Patingin nga, patingin nga, patingin muna.
then you have films. Something easy to access. Okay, you can select.
WW Megaphone.
So, let's see. Only 10. Dito ko muna. Is building ko. Okay, I have Minecraft. T-shirt. Please work. I'm just loading only. Yes. Jet, tingnan mo. Jet. Okay. Stay in survival. And see, you have this one. You have that. And it's kind of fun. And goodbye, guys. See you next week. Bye.